Chris. I typically fish with my wife Verlena and longtime friend Joe. Recently we started making some videos, and if you've seen our videos so far, just been us out fishing, having a good time. Nothing complicated, really, just catching some fish. Our goal with making the videos was not to just video us catching fish. We wanted to take other people out, bring them into the sport, whether it be longtime friends who don't get a chance to get out, never fished for catfish or any fish for that matter, or perfect strangers that we meet on the bank and say, hey, hop in the boat, let's go. This is our first time doing it. We took out a friend of Joe's dad. Little backstory there. Joe's friend called him up, said, hey, I've been watching your videos. Dad's got a lot going on in his life right now. We'd love it if you could get him out fishing. And told us the whole story. We won't go into that, but the man needed some time on the water and said, absolutely, we'll get him out there. Be a great first video for us. So we met up with Larry, got him out on the water. Great guy. This was an absolute blast. It was everything I hoped it would be. And got him out on the water. His personal best prior to this was a 5-pound channel cat. We did get him on one fish, slightly better. And it was amazing. Absolutely amazing. Hope you all enjoy this video. Please keep Larry and his family in your prayers. Genuinely good person. And thanks for watching. We ready for this?
I told him we was guaranteeing him at least one 1-pounder.
Man, that's a bigger promise. A little hard there. Bigger promise than I'm willing to make.
All right, Larry, we'll hand your stuff in there to him and
Got you. Make you comfortable right here, brother.
All right. I step on the seat? Or?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Need a.
I already told him on the phone the other night like, he's going to be YouTube famous because we video.
Yep. We have a good time with it.
Yeah.
Chris Smith.
Larry.
Larry, pleasure,
Larry
brother.
Carter.
Now, I don't remember him real well, but I know I met your boy, Junior, right?
Yeah, Larry.
Larry Jr.?
With,
Yeah.
Yep, back when we ran around way back in the day.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, sir.
I got up at
There
1
it is.
o'clock.
Oh, there was a hit.
That was a hit. That was definitely a hit. Daggone. I just saw it when
I got
might
up
have been a little one.
1 o'clock.
Oh, there's fish. There's
There's
fish. There's
fish.
fish.
Grab that leg.
Oh,
Which one?
Oh,
let go. Let go. Let go.
This one
Daggone.
doubled over. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, he let go.
Oh.
Usually they don't.
Usually they don't let go like that.
Oh, yeah?
Could have been a little one just taking a swipe at it,
Uh,
or a gar,
That's a good sign though. We've had a couple hits. I mean,
or a
Yeah.
gar.
just waiting for that big one. Yeah.
Big old brick house there.
My boss. Oh, there's a fish, Larry.
There you go, Larry.
Start reeling.
Start crank her down. Crank her down.
All right, you got him.
Good. That's what
out
we
your
want to
way.
see. All right, then you can pull that out there.
Okay.
You need help. All right.
Out your way.
Oh, we just marked a real good one under the boat too. Things could get fun. Still there? You fight?
Yep, he's still there.
All right.
Oh, it's way out there.
Well, that's half the fun.
Yeah.
Let's sit this way over here for a
Just
second.
fighting a second ago.
I think we're good on the other lines.
Should be. We might have a mess by the time we take off.
It's all right.
Larry, when he gets close, if you'll take a step towards the front of the boat, you don't have to yet, and then a step over into the center of the boat.
Feels like he's gone.
Does it?
Did he come off?
Oh, no.
Well, maybe not.
Let's see.
I don't know. Yeah, he's still on.
Take a little bit of a step back, and then lift that rod tip up there.
Oh yeah, he's still on there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a decent one.
Good one.
Decent hit. Nice
In the
fish.
net. In the net. Good job. brother. Good job.
Nice.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Joe, you want to deal with this? I will get the boat going in the right direction.
Sure will.
There you go, brother. There you go. Hot diggity damn.
Nice blue cat.
Yeah, it is. That's a good one.
That fish is over 20.
Oh yeah. We'll get a weight on. We'll get a length on them. That's what it's all about right there.
Yes, it is.
I was starting to think, I
So
was like,
glad we got you a fish. Now a little bit of my stress is off.
Right.
Oh, when I come around, you can drop that in the water so one of them don't get a hook in the leg.
Okay.
You have to be the bait. I was on ahead.
on ahead.
Quit it.
They get a little
They
on.
definitely, that fish definitely spawned.
That's a healthy fish right
Got some
there.
Scarring on it from spawning.
Yeah.
That's a healthy fish right there.
Come on. Come on, girl. Quit moving, I'll get you out of there.
Trying to negotiate with it, Joe.
Yeah, try to talk to it. Quit, fish. Ow, that hurt. That almost
This is
got
all
me.
on video, you know.
That almost got me in a not so good place.
Dude, I had one.
Here, Larry, I'll let you hold it up and let's get a picture of it.
I had one graze the.
Put your other hand under his belly there, and we'll get you on camera. And
Gonna make you famous.
All right.
That's a good fish. That's a good. Ooh, where are we at here? I'm gonna. Joe, hop in there with him. All right, say we didn't get skunked.
Didn't get skunked.
All right, let's get a weight and a length on him real quick
All
here,
right.
Joe. I got us running back.
Larry, if you need them, we got wipes right here too.
Okay.
Larry, if you wanna, I'll get your phone number and I'll send you these. Dude, just let me know, Joe. We can go right through there. I think he's gonna do 20.
I think he's gonna do 20 at least.
21. Stop. 21.5.
That's a nice fish.
21.5.
Where's your
That's awesome.
tape?
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
It's all right.
That out there.
Sorry, got him.
Yep. 21.5. Good fish, brother. Yep, we'll get a length on him real quick.
Open your mouth for me. There you go.
30, 34. Maybe a little more. 30.
You got your Fish Ohio.
30.
36.
36.
36.
Fish
Awesome.
Ohio.
Awesome. I'm loving it.
Good stuff, brother. Good stuff.
All right.
Thank you.
I'm gonna drop him over
That-
on your side.
That is my pleasure. My pleasure.
Keep going.
You gone? What's the biggest
If you
catfish you
send
ever
that in,
caught?
you'll get an award for it.
5 pounds.
So that's your biggest?
Yeah.
Good. That
Yeah,
makes
if you send that in, they'll send you an award.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they send it to the Division of Wildlife. They'll send you a little pin that says Fish Ohio on it.
Oh.
Because it only takes a 35 incher to be a Fish Ohio.
Yeah,
So
Wow.
your boy will be able to do it for you real easy.
Yeah.